Hi, Alex.
Hi, yes, Emma. Nice to meet you in person.
Nice to meet you too. How was your day?
Busy, and now I'm a little nervous.
Nervous is normal. It's a first date.
Yes, my English is also nervous. My English is on a first date too.
Okay, we can be nervous together.
Great. Team nervous.
So, do you come here often?
No, I chose this cafe because it looks safe.
Safe?
Yes, if the date is bad, I can disappear behind a plant.
Wow, you have a plan already.
Just in case. But you seem nice, so I will stay.
Good. I'm happy you're here.
So, what do you do?
I'm a teacher. And you?
I work in IT.
Okay, smart.
Sometimes. Today I forgot my own phone, and then I found it in my hand.
That's very modern.
What do you like to do on weekends?
I like walking, reading, and coffee.
Great. I also like coffee. So we have one serious thing in common.
Coffee is serious.
Very serious.
Are you enjoying the date so far?
Yes, I'm having a really nice time.
Me too.
Would you like to meet again?
Yes, I'd like that.
Perfect. Then I can cancel my disappear behind a plant plan.
Deal.
Welcome back to Boomba English. I'm Sarah.
And I'm John. Today, first dates. In English.
First dates are scary in your own language.
In English, it's like a first date plus a pop quiz.
Exactly. But good news, you don't need difficult English.
You need simple sentences, friendly energy, and one thing.
A plant to hide behind?
Yes, the emergency plant. We heard that in the dialogue.
Okay, quick recap. Emma and Alex meet in a cafe. Alex is nervous, but he's funny.
And Emma is warm, relaxed, and she laughs easily. That's a perfect combo for A1, B1 English. Short phrases, clear questions, no stress.
Let's talk about the funniest line. For me, my English is on a first date too.
That line is so real because your brain is like, hello, I'm brain. I forgot everything.
Your brain, nice to meet you. Then it runs away.
And it disappears behind the plant.
But here's the important part. Alex does not try to be perfect.
He just says the truth. I'm a little nervous.
That is strong English. Simple and honest.
I had a first date once where I wanted to sound cool.
Uh-oh.
I tried to say, I'm really into hiking.
Okay, normal.
But I said, I'm really into walking up mountains aggressively.
Aggressively.
Yes, like I'm angry at the mountain.
Excuse me, Mountain. I'm coming through.
And you know what? She laughed. It was fine.
Exactly. On a first date, small mistakes can be charming if you smile and continue. Let's pull out a few super useful first date questions from the listening.
How was your day?
So, do you come here often?
What do you do?
What do you like to do on weekends?
And the big one, would you like to meet again?
These are easy, but they open the conversation.
And they help you avoid the dangerous topic. So, tell me your biggest fears.
Or, so what is your password?
Just for fun.
Now, many learners worry about what do you do.
Keep it simple. I'm a teacher. I work in IT. I'm a student.
If you want, add one small detail. For example, it's Gizzy. I like it. It's fun.
Like, I work in IT. It's busy, but I like it.
I'm a teacher. It's a big job.
I'm a teacher. I need coffee.
Honestly.
True.
Another fun moment. Coffee is serious.
Coffee is very serious.
In some cities, coffee is more serious than marriage.
I don't know you, but I trust your coffee order.
Let's talk about humor on a first date in English.
Humor is great, but keep it simple. Short jokes.
Like Alex, this cafe looks safe.
Or, my English is nervous.
The humor is not rude. It's gentle.
And humor can save you when you don't know a word.
You can say, I forgot the word.
Or, how do you say it?
Or even, my brain is empty today.
Very honest.
I once forgot the word fork.
On a date?
Yes.
What did you say?
I said, can I have the food trident?
Food trident.
And it worked. He understood.
So if you're listening and thinking, my English is too simple, good.
Simple English is confident English.
Okay, quick recap. 5 lines you can steal for your next first date.
1. Nice to meet you in person.
2. How was your day?
3. I'm a little nervous.
4. I'm having a really nice time.
5. Would you like to meet again?
And if you need one extra line,
Where is the emergency plant?
exactly.
That's it for today's Boomba English.
Try listening again and repeat the lines out loud.
See you next time.
And good luck on your date
And your English date.